Two tawny frog mouths, they are in love. They love each other so very much. Oh, where are they gone? Oh, I'm too zoomed in, I can't find them. Ah, zoom back out, zoom back out. There they are. Two little tawny frog mouths, they are in love. They love each other so very much. They are pretending to be a part of the tree. They are two tawny frog mouths. Oh look, they love each other. Oh, that's so cute. Hey, mama and a baby. No, they're both pretty big. Two tawny frog mouths sitting in a tree. They love each other as much as can be. Oh my gosh, my camera, I'm so tired right now. I can't keep still. I am the gimbal. You're so cute. Oh my god. I'm so in love. Love is in the air today. There's just so much love. Love is in the air every day, but today is particularly lovey, isn't it? Is it particularly lovey? Yeah. Yeah. I'm super excited because we've just received some things from this company called Nature's Child, which does all natural and organic stuff, and we got some Soothers pacifier, and this is made from a natural rubber called Heather. I think it's a type of tree. And we got this, or maybe that's just the brand of it, Heather. Yeah, so this is the teether for when he starts teething, because his teeth are already kind of showing. And then I'm super excited about this stuff, which is all like talcum or baby powder, organic baby powder. This is, I think, a massage oil. We got a organic baby wash. It's called Wonder Balm. They won all awards for this stuff, and it's all just natural and organic. So we'll see how it all goes. I'll try. Oh, try it. Open up. I don't know which way it goes. This way? Come on, open up. Try again. Try again. You got it. You started getting it. Is it this way? Let's try this way. Yeah. Yay! Look at you! Try again. Try again. No. So I think this is a little too big for his mouth right now. Even though it says 0 to 3 months, but I think it's a little too big. But it's awesome, it feels really nice. So basically I am in love. We only just received it today, but we'll see how it continues to work out. I am not sponsored to do this in any way possible, but yeah, I've just found this website. Originally their warehouse is in Byron Bay, but they sell their products all over Australia, and I think a little bit in other countries, but I'll just read a little bit about them. So their name is Nature's Child. So if you look up www.natureschild.com.au, you would be able to find them, and you can order things online. And they do disposable nappies and just a whole bunch of reusable sorts of materials that are all organic, all natural, skincares, just so much great stuff. So they are ethical organic baby products, toxic free, zero waste certificate. It's certified organic, and it has Australian certified organic on it, which a lot of stuff doesn't have. So we just used the baby wash, bath wash, and that was lovely. It didn't really have much of a scent to it, which is good because it means that it's not, you know, it doesn't have too much oils in it and scents that are probably irritative to the skin. And it was just really light and soft. Like it wasn't gluggy or anything like that. It was really lovely. And then I used the bottom balm on his little bum, and this again is really lovely and soft, and so we'll see if that makes a difference to his little bottom nappy rash, which would be wonderful. And same with the organic baby powder. So I'll keep you updated on how that goes. We have also got the Wonder Balm, but I haven't used that yet, and see how it all goes. And I'm just super in love with this company. They just do amazing stuff, and they seem to really care about their product more than they do making a business and trying to make money. So that's something I really love, and I'll keep you updated, so stay tuned.